How to spell Friday? F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. What date is today? Today is 12th of June of 2020. Now, let's start our lessons. Today's hafazan from the Juzuk Amma is Surah Al-Buruj. This surah consists of 22 ayat. Do you want to know what is Al-Buruj? Al-Buruj means great stars or in Malay, gugusan bintang. Dear children, tahu tak surah ini mengenai apa? Surah ini mengisahkan tentang pembesar-pembesar Najran membakar hidup-hidup orang-orang yang beriman di samping menerangkan balasan orang-orang yang menyiksa dan memfitnah orang mukmin. Selain itu juga, surah ini menerangkan bahawa Allah yang berkuasa menciptakan sesuatu, maka dia juga yang berkuasa menghidupkan kembali sesuatu. You need to memorize this surah at your home with your parents. If you cannot memorize it, by just listening to it, you will get reward from Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. If you read and memorize it, of course, you will get even more rewards. Alright, dear. Hari ini, teacher nak cerita tentang kisah ringkas hidup Nabi Muhammad SAW. Nak tahu tak? Apa teacher tak dengar? Jadi nak tahu? Okay, dengar je teacher cerita. Nama sebenar Nabi Muhammad SAW ialah Muhammad bin Abdullah bin Abdul Muttalib. Nabi Muhammad dilahirkan di Mekah pada 12 Rabiul Awal tahun Gajah. Siapa tahu nama bapa baginda? Good. Ramai je yang tahu. Nama bapa baginda ialah Abdullah bin Abdul Muttalib. Kalau ibu baginda pula? Nama ibu baginda ialah Aminah binti Wahab. Okey, children, kalau you all nak tahu, Nabi Muhammad SAW tak sempat berjumpa bapanya sebab bapanya meninggal ketika Nabi Muhammad masih dalam kandungan. Ketika Nabi Muhammad SAW berusia 6 tahun, ibunya pula meninggal dunia. Selepas ibu baginda meninggal, siapa yang menjaga Nabi Muhammad SAW? Nak tahu tak siapa? Nabi Muhammad SAW dijaga oleh datuknya. Siapa nama datuk baginda? Ingat tak teacher beritahu tadi? Nama datuk baginda Abdul Muttalib. Tapi selepas itu datuknya pula meninggal dunia. Jadi Nabi dijaga oleh bapa saudaranya iaitu Abu Talib. Kalau you all nak tahu, sejak dari usia 9 tahun lagi, Nabi Muhammad SAW mula mengembala kambing dan mengikut bapa saudaranya ke Syam. Untuk apa pergi ke Syam? Dekat Syam, Nabi Muhammad SAW berniaga. Apabila Nabi Muhammad SAW meningkat dewasa, iaitu pada usia 25 tahun, baginda bermusafir semula ke Syam atas urusan perniagaan barangan seperti Khadijah binti Khuwailid. Pada usia inilah baginda berkahwin dengan Siti Khadijah. Nabi Muhammad SAW diberikan 7 orang anak. You all tahu tak lagu anak Nabi kita? Mari menyanyi sama kita. Anak Nabi kita ada 7 orang, 3 lelaki, 4 perempuan. Qasim, Abdullah, Ibrahim, Zainab, Ruqayyah, Ummi Kalsum, Fatimah. You all tahu tak bila Nabi Muhammad SAW diangkat menjadi rasul? Nabi menerima wahyu di Gua Hira pada usia 40 tahun. Ketika itulah Nabi dilantik menjadi Nabi dan Rasul akhir zaman. Bukan itu sahaja, Nabi Muhammad SAW diberikan mukjizat Al-Quran. You tahu kan Al-Quran itu apa? Semua tentang Allah dan Rasul boleh dibaca dalam Al-Quran. Let's move to our next lesson, which is mathematics. This one is mathematics activity book. Now you need turn to page 10. For this one, you need to add the following. let me show you how to solve the problem. For this one, you need to cross while you count. Children, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So you need to write 42 over here. You already finished this one. So let's move to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you need to write 21 over here. (42) plus 21 equal to what? To get the answer, you need to count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. 42 plus 21 equal. The answer is 63. You can try the rest at your home. Next, move to page 11. For this page, you need to do the vertical order on plain paper. Children, let me show you one example. 52 plus 14 equal to what? Okay, children, you need to copy the numbers into the vertical order. 52 plus 14. here. For vertical order, you need to solve ones first, or in Malay we call it solve. For addition, you need to circle bigger number using blue color. 2 plus 4, so 4 is bigger, so 4 is in your mind and 2 at your finger. So after 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. After finish with ones, we continue with tens, or in Malay, puluh. 5 plus 1, which one is bigger? Of course, it is 5, so you need to circle 5. 5 plus 1, 5 is bigger, so 5 is in your mind and 1 at your finger. Children, after 5, 6. So the answer is 6. 52 plus 14 equal to 66. For the rest, the method is the same, so you can do it with your parents. For page 12, you need to add the following. For this part, you need to do the vertical order. Children, don't forget to circle bigger number using blue color. Our next lesson is art and craft. Today, teacher want to show you one activity using the tissue roll. The materials that you need, of course, the tissue roll, watercolor, brush, and the art block or the A4 paper. Teacher use the A4 paper, white color, okay? Like this. Now, let's get started. First, take the tissue roll and you need to draw any patterns you like. Here, contohnya, teacher lukis heart shape. Macam ni. So, you kena lukis keliling tissue roll. After you all dah siap lukis pattern atas tissue roll ni, you all kena gunting. Macam ni. Tengok ni, teacher ada heart shape and star. So, you all bolehlah draw any patterns that you like. Next, you need to color like this. You can put as colorful as you want. Asalkan cantik. Then, you need to stamp on the paper like this. You need to press it a bit. 1, 2, 3. Tada! Wow! Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, children, you can continue with another pattern. You just repeat the same step. Color and stamp on the paper. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Okay, children, that is the end of our lesson. Don't forget to do the mathematics homework and try this art and craft. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated. See you again. Bye.